Hey, what's up everyone? Are you looking for a smartphone that's more than just a phone? A device that's a complete package for entertainment and creativity? One that offers DSLR-like photo quality, fantastic performance for gaming and multitasking, and all of this at a mid-range price? If you answered yes, then this video is for you, because Nokia is bringing its new best smartphone, the Nokia NX 5G. Its 400 megapixel camera is going to blow everyone's mind. In this video, we'll tell you about all the features of this phone, its price, and its launch date. So let's get started. The Nokia NX 5G isn't just beautiful to look at, its 6.85-inch LTPO OLED display will give you an amazing experience. Plus, the 120Hz refresh rate and 390Hz touch sampling rate make gaming and social media scrolling so smooth you'll be mesmerized. And yes, it also comes with an in-display fingerprint sensor. Now let's talk about its biggest feature, the camera. The Nokia NX 5G gives you a 400 megapixel primary camera. Yes, you heard that right, 400 megapixels. This will give you detailed and sharp pictures just like a DSLR. It also has a 50 megapixel ultra-wide and a 10 megapixel telephoto lens that will capture stunning photos even in low light. For all you selfie lovers, there's a 50 megapixel front camera that supports 4K video recording. When it comes to performance, this phone is second to none. It comes with Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and a powerful 12 GB of RAM. This phone can handle heavy gaming and multitasking with ease. And don't worry about storage because it has 256 GB of internal storage with an option to expand up to 1 TB. And it will also come with the latest Android 16 and 5 years of updates. The Nokia NX 5G has a 7500 mAh monster battery that will last all day long. And the best part? Its 100-watt fast charging will get you to 80% in just 20 minutes, with a Type-C Gen 2 port. Finally, let's talk about the question on everyone's mind: what's the price? According to leaks, the Nokia Safari NX 5G could be priced around $599. There's no official word on the launch date yet, but it's expected to hit the market by the end of 2025.